What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco Mitchell back again with another Kyrie lacing video. This time we're lacing the Kyrie Infinity. This colorway is fire. I wanted to try some lace swapping options, so I decided to go ahead and make this video quick and show you guys how to lace the Kyrie 8. Some people have been asking how to do it, so I'm just going to go through how I do it and how it's normally done. And let me know your feedback. If you have any questions or any suggestions, let me know. We did it before with the Kyrie 5 and Kyrie 6. So as well as the Kyrie 7, I believe. So go ahead and check those videos out if you need them, or if I did not make them, let me know. But I know for sure I did the Kyrie 5 and I think the Kyrie 7. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try this Kyrie Infinity out, you dig? So I mean, first of all, you just want to kind of follow the pattern that it already comes with, this shoe right here. So I'll just leave this example there, but you'll be starting over and going under, and then, you know, making sure you're using these lace area, I don't even know what to call these, back lids, or, you know, these fingers as they used to be called, where they stick to the lacing areas, really helping you for your lockdown. These are really important to, you know, the upper for this Kyrie. So let's go ahead and just take this one out. But these right here are some comfortable shoes. They fit true to size. I have yet to hoop in these. I'll usually wear them for casual wear. Well, I haven't worn this pair for casual wear, but when I wear my Kyries, it's been for casual wear. But I've gotten a lot of good feedback about this shoe, how it is on the court. Definitely recommend it for indoor courts. You know what I mean? Indoor courts, unless you have the EP, which is the XDR rubber, you know, for extreme rubber for outdoors and stuff like that. But other than that, definitely try these for indoor use. You don't really have a problem. I mean, you have a lot of security around your foot, I'm telling you. With this tongue that some people didn't like, the tongue, and then all this cushion around here. Your ankle and Achilles are definitely well intact. And then, you know, the lacing area, these two straps right here combined with this extra support over the lace area, it really locks your foot in there. You know what I mean? True to size is the best way to go with this shoe. It might feel a little snug at first, but all you gotta do is break them in and the shoe will fit, you know, feel perfect, bro. So let me get this lace out. Just want to chop it up and tell you guys about that and go from there, man. If you like this video, or this video helps you at all, hit that like button, share the video, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Many colorways of the Kyrie Infinity, Kyrie 8. Let me know which one you guys like the most. There's a lot out there to choose. Maybe you might have a top 3 or top 5. You guys can comment that in the comments below here. So black laces on this shoe might pop out a little bit too also. So, you know, you pretty much same thing. Like I said, you go over. Start off going over, match your laces up. The lace that I'm using here is actually a little shorter than the Kyrie Infinity lace. This is actually from like a Kyrie 5. I'll just try to grab that real quick. It's actually a lot shorter, so let's see how this plays out though. It's still going to do the job based on what you guys need to see when it comes to lacing these Kyrie 8s, because, you know, you might need the help with it, might need to see what's going on. So just go through there and make sure your stuff is matched up and pull it on through. Fast forward what needs to be fast forwarded. I'm already liking the way it looks with black laces just because that's just me. You know what I mean? So based on what I see here on the other one, you're gonna go under. So you don't go over, you go under first. You wanna go under to get to the next hole right here. You wanna go through this one and through the second layer of, I wanna know what that is, protection or support. That's what I'll call it, support. So you go under and you go here on this side, same thing. You want to make sure you go through both of them. You know, even, you know, I have other lacing options for other shoes, and sometimes not using some of these extra things might loosen up for your upper, but you more likely want to just keep it the way the shoe came for this Kyrie, because that's what the whole point is, as far as making sure your foot stays on the footbed, especially if you're a herky-jerky player like Kyrie is. If you move a lot on the court, that's why you want to do that. So you see it's matching up so far. We're just going to continue with that. This one you're going to go over. So you're going to go over, which is the only way you can go, is over, right? You can't go under nowhere. Over, you want to go through both of these holes again. This one and then this one there. Pull that through. And so on and so forth. Always want to make sure you get them through both of these holes, because that's your like I said, once again, that's your maximum security. That's your maximum security and support, along with this strap right here too. So you got double, triple lockdown in there. You know what I mean? Go through both of them. Very nice. You got like I'm sure like a relaxed way to do it would be to maybe just go through here and just let that out there flap like that. That's how that would look. I don't know if you guys like that, to have your stuff flapping. You know, like the Jordan 1s had that little flap, but no, you want to make sure you pull that through both of these for hooping. If you're somebody who wears these for casual wear, maybe you might want to loosen some of these straps up. You know what I mean? Maybe you might want to do that if you're just wearing them for casual wear and wearing them around. Maybe you don't want to go through both. But here we're going to show you going through both, because that gives you a full effect and look. And that's what we're doing for the lace swap and lacing up. So go through those two. Go through that one. See what it is. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe with the black lace. You know what I mean? See what it came with. Let me know if you guys are liking the lace it came with, or this black lace option. Put that through there too. At least this lace is shorter than the other lace, but it still allows me to get all the way to the top of the shoe pretty much the way I would like to. And let me know what you guys think with the black laces. That's pretty much how you lace the Kyrie 8 or Kyrie Infinity. If you have any questions, let me know. You can go all the way up to the top if you want, or you can leave it like it is. Give yourself some room with the laces. But it's your boy Bossco. It's a video lacing the Kyrie Infinity. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.